I regret very much not being able to be present at this occasion, important as it is to so many people. To remember the great name of Bernardin, who was among us, served us, and to memorialize the things that he did for all of us. I think I have good reasons. 3 great-grandchildren. The oldest one is the little boy named Jackson, who is 7 years old. And the youngest one is about 4 months old. And then his mother, his father, who's a captain in the infantry of the United States, who's gone to Iraq, came back safely, and following my footsteps. I went to the Pacific Theater in World War II, but I regret being absent from this occasion because the occasion means so much to so many people. It gives me a particular occasion to thank all the people who had a hand in giving me this award. I'm an immigrant to Chicago. I arrived here October 14, 1946. I had never been in Chicago, didn't have a friend or kinfolk or any associate. Had just finished Harvard Law School, had been admitted to the bar in Massachusetts before I finished my studies at Harvard Law School. And it all depended on the people of Chicago, how they accepted me. They didn't know me. In fact, very few people did. However, in the spirit of Cardinal Bernardin, they accepted me. And it wasn't long after I arrived, a few days later, I was at 26th in California, representing poor people charged with serious crimes. I became well known as a lawyer, mainly because I didn't charge much money. Couldn't justify charging a lot of money. I had no reputation as a lawyer. I had not accomplished anything. I had not contributed anything except my talent and the desire that Cardinal Bernardin expressed so well so many times. The willingness to give and to do for others. One day in 1964, in the middle of August, I was in my office working hard at something. Telephone rang, and it was Mayor Richard J. Daley who was on the phone, calling me, asking me if I would be willing to be a candidate for judge of the Circuit Court of Cook County. And I took the opportunity, went to court, became a judge, and thus began my judicial career in Chicago. To do justice, love mercy, and walk humbly with thy God. These are the thoughts, the ideas that were often expressed by Cardinal Bernardin in his sermons, in his statements of the principles of life that are supported by the Catholic Church. That's what it meant. And so I became a judge, served in a long life, and it has been spent in a wonderful city. So it's been a great time. time in which I've met Cardinal Bernardin and others of the same, strengthened by a lot of them. And so that's how it's been. But the important thing I want to say, that this occasion, my inability to be here present in person, and I thank everyone who had a hand in making this day possible for me, and to the memory of Cardinal Joseph Bernardin. Thank you very much.